The Friends of Cherokee Marsh completed a busy year of conservation work, advocacy, education and outreach, citizen science, fundraising, and partnerships. 2021 began with the stunning beauty of rime frost. Members of the Friends put in 600 volunteer hours in the city, county, and state public lands, removing invasive species, including garlic mustard, Japanese hedge parsley, and Phragmites, protecting a snapping turtle nest from predators at the South Unit, collecting seeds, and sowing 35 bags for seed collection used by DNR volunteers in the state natural areas. Also cutting and burning brush. The Friends also helped fund new purple martin houses in Cherokee Park, and all 12 houses attracted martins. The Prairie Partners interns put in 500 hours of paid conservation work on the Cherokee Marsh lands. These are summer jobs for college students in environmental studies in partnership with other local environmental groups. The interns did restoration projects at Cherokee Marsh and Meadow Ridge City Conservation Parks and at Yahara Heights County Park. The Friends of Cherokee Marsh supervised the interns' work and solicited donations and grants to pay them. In 2021, the Friends supported the City of Madison's proposal to acquire 22 acres of woods between Whitetail Ridge Park and the North Unit of Cherokee Marsh Conservation Park. The Friends provided written comments to the Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources and the town of Westport regarding a dredging permit on the Cherokee Golf Course. We also paddled with State Senator Melissa Agard and her staff, updating her on our activities and concerns. We hosted Madison Mayor Rhodes Conway for an Earth Day garlic mustard pull. And we advocated for clearer signage about different dog rules in the city and county parks. Interpretive kiosks were a major educational project in 2021, the culmination of several years of effort by the Friends in collaboration with Madison Parks and Dane County Parks. The project is now complete, with kiosks at the North and South units of Cherokee Marsh Conservation Park, at Meadow Ridge Conservation Park, and at the Cherokee Marsh Natural Resource Area, including Yahara Heights County Park. Friends volunteers are keeping 6 kiosks updated with notices. Another educational project was this regional map of the Upper Yahara public lands. Created by Friends volunteers, it shows 13 access points and 5 watercraft launches in the Cherokee Marsh watershed. The cartography was donated by Friends member Doug Norgord of Geographic Techniques, LLC. The maps, along with bike racks, were installed at the Cherokee Marsh Natural Resource Area on River Road and on Catfish Court, with funds from a Dane County Parks grant to the Friends of Cherokee Marsh. We continued public education with our monthly Bird and Nature adventures, co-sponsored with Madison Friends of Urban Nature and Madison Parks. These guided walks were offered on a wide range of topics, free and open to all ages. An autumn geology walk, co-sponsored by UW-Madison's Badger Talks, set a record with more than 60 attendees. Special educational events and projects in 2021 included our first online annual meeting with guest speaker Stan Temple. Volunteer Jeff Steele created an interactive online winter ecology map of the North Unit, and later in the year, he hosted a free evening moth walk. We helped Madison Parks with the Autumn Hayrides and Hikes event, and we did more public outreach at the Northside Farmers Market and the Madison Bird and Nature Festival. For a third year, Friends volunteers surveyed plant species at 7 locations in the North and South units. We took part in spring and winter Wisconsin bird counts. And an endangered rusty patch bumblebee was documented by a volunteer at Yahara Heights County Park. For the third consecutive year, we hosted a survey of area waters for aquatic invasive species, part of a statewide citizen science event called Snapshot Day, co-sponsored by UW-Madison Extension, the River Alliance of Wisconsin, and the Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources. Our fundraising efforts this year secured a $6,000 grant from Dane County Parks to install the bike racks and maps, $7,800 in donations to pay the Prairie Partners interns, and $550 in donations to pay for bus rentals for school field trips. And we received $2,300 in new donations for our Cherokee Marsh Conservation Endowment. We extend our deep gratitude to everyone who contributed. Cherokee Marsh was in the news several times this year, including NBC 15 TV features on improved water clarity of the Upper Yahara and the release of a rehabilitated yellow-billed cuckoo at Cherokee Marsh. WRRT Radio and the Wisconsin State Journal covered the city's proposed acquisition of additional woodlands for Cherokee Marsh, and Isthmus celebrated the new kiosks and maps in the county lands. 50 years ago, the City of Madison established the Conservation Park program, with Cherokee Marsh as the first conservation park. In 2021, the Friends continued an ongoing project to document the history of Cherokee Marsh.